Okay, Divas, so jumping right in, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys quickly how I apply my press-on nails. This is from my nail line, which is Nailedglam. So it does come with an orange stick as well as a mini file, and as you guys can see, it comes in a gift box. Here is the set that I'll be sharing with you guys today. It is called Tangerine, and this is in long stiletto. I also have them available in short stiletto. If you guys are interested in that, I will definitely have the links in the description box below. So my sets do not come with glue. However, this is the glue that I use and I stand by. This glue lasts up to 2 weeks, and it is the Wonder Bond. I did purchase mine from Sally's Beauty Supply. I'll try to leave that in the description box below as well. So I already prepped my nails for application. So here I'm just going to go ahead and brush on that glue, and then I'm going to be applying the nail. When I apply the nail, I like to kind of just press it in for about 15 to 30 seconds, and then I hold it at the base of it for 15 to 30 seconds as well, just to ensure that my nail is going to go ahead and stay on. So yeah, that is pretty much how I apply them. I will later on share with you guys in future videos how I prep my nails for my press-ons and everything. I did just want to come and share with you guys how I apply them, and as I go ahead and apply these, I'm going to tell you guys that today I am having a Memorial Day sale. So all the solid sets, excuse me, are going to be $6.99, and then there will be 50% off of the bling sets. So definitely go ahead and check out the link in the description box below so that you guys can go ahead and not miss out on this sale, because it is a really good sale. But yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I hope you guys will pick up some press-on nails. They are all gel as well, if I forgot to mention that. But yeah, thank you Fabulous Divas so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. But yeah, Divas, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you Fabulous Girls in my next video. Bye.